Hi, I'm here at Accountex with Knut Running, the CFO of Xledger, the Norwegian ERP developer. Knut, I was at your stand a little bit earlier and saw you demonstrating a pivot table reporting tool that really looked very slick in the program. But as a CFO yourself, can you tell us what it's like actually using the program as a finance man and what you think the best features of it are?
Well, it's a number of things that are good about it, but I think from my perspective, it's really the ability to both to have a good overview and then to be able to really go down and do detailed analysis and to really have a good view of the business and how it develops, and without having to rely on some chief accountant or some other to produce reports and design reports, but to have it online and really see what's have the finger on the pulse of the business.
So for a software developer like Xledger, an international developer, what are the KPIs you keep an eye on, and you know, how frequently are you referring to your measures?
There are a few KPIs that we really follow. One obviously is revenue per customer. Another is sales per employee and expense per employee, day sales outstanding and similar, and profitability obviously, gross profit mainly.
Do you think your colleagues in the wider profession and sort of management accountants as a whole, do you think they're getting the right kind of reporting and analysis tools? You know, have they?
No, not in general. I think it's. For a lot of businesses, they can't get this out of their financial system, so they need to purchase some business intelligence solution and build on top to aggregate data and present it in a readable way. So that's quite a central part of what we do, or what we're trying to do, to present the necessary information to the CFO, but also to the project managers and to other employees with customer relations and so forth, so that they really know what's going on and really can evaluate what actions need to be taken.
Okay, well, best of luck with the show, and I understand you're just about to race for a train to Norway, so thank you very much for joining us.
Yeah, thank you.